Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel and welcome to my very first layout video of 2021. This is also going to be a part of a year-long series that I'm going to be doing here in my YouTube channel. But before I go on and tell you about my series, let me just take you a little bit, talk you through a little bit of the layout, and then we'll talk more about the series. So I'm going to start off with this white piece of paper. I'm going to treat it as my white cardstock, but it's actually the backside of a single sheet of pattern paper. And I drew a circle there, and I'm just measuring or marking where my photos are going to be because I want to fill the inside of that circle with some stickers, specifically alphabet stickers. I have a lot of these alpha stickers from Simple Stories, and I don't have, like, it's hard for me to make any more words out of it because a lot of the vowels are gone, or a lot of the most used letters are gone from the sheet, so it's hard for me to create words for titles and stuff. So I decided to just use that as a background, and so I am just filling it in. I'm starting off with one color, of course, and then after I've filled in I've used most of this sticker sheet, I am going to move on to the next one. I did pull out other kinds of alphabet stickers, but I will end up just using all of this Snap Simple Stories one just because I like the uniformed style of the alphabet, but at the same time they're different colors. And the reason why I marked my photos is because there's really no need for me to fill in the whole circle, knowing that the final product or the final layout that I had envisioned will have the photos on the right side of the circle. So as I do this, let me talk about what I have in mind for this year-long series. As you all know, I was part of a year-long series in 2020 called For the Love of Crafting and Sharing, and we are not doing that this year. And I figured since I'm not going to be part of any kind of blog hop, that I will do, or I should say YouTube hop, I should do one just for my particular channel. And another thing that came to mind was that I have so many products in my stash that I need to revisit, that I need to use up, and that I need to just play with. And so I'm going to call this series Digging Through My Stash A through Z. I think I like the idea of working through my stash in the form of the alphabet. So as you noticed, I am dealing with alphabet stickers today, and then the next one will be something B. Another thing that I figured is that we have 26 letters in the alphabet. So, and there's 52 weeks in the year. So I figured if I do one layout for this series every 2 weeks, I will be able to complete the whole alphabet in the year. That is the goal. I don't know what 2021 has to offer. Just like, you know, with 2020, we weren't sure in the beginning. Well, we didn't know what the year was going to be in the beginning. So I am not going to promise you a bunch of words, and then I'm not going to end up fulfilling it, but that is the plan as of right now. So watch out for the layouts that will come from this series. So this is the first one, and in the next 2 weeks I hope to be able to post a layout for letter B. All right, so let's go back to the process for this page. So I have filled in all of the letters there. I did make sure that I did not go over the lines that I've created for the photos. And then I have this very old 12 by 12 paper. It's multicolored, and it's also from Simple Stories, which made me so happy because the colors of those paper strips on the pattern paper matches the colors of the letters. And then I was feeling a little bit, I was channeling a little bit of Allison Davis here, and I stitched around there. So instead of erasing my circles, I actually stitched around it, and I really like it. I probably won't stitch on all of my layouts just because it takes time, but I do like it here because it makes that circle stand out even more, like its shape, because it is stitched. And I just used some embroidery floss that matched the sweater that my daughter is wearing in the photos. So let's talk about the pictures. The pictures are just kind of everyday pictures. I snapped a couple of pictures from my phone while my daughter was trying to pick her embroidery floss for her next friendship bracelet project. I took these photos, I believe in 2019, maybe still in 2018. And this is when, I don't know about you, but I have noticed that trends kind of go back, and friendship bracelets was very popular when I was in elementary, was now or is now back. I don't know if it's still back now, but at this time when the photo was taken, that was kind of a big thing. And so my daughter was picking out some of her embroidery floss or DMC in order for her to make her friendship bracelet. So I just thought I would document how interesting it is that some of the trends come back every so often, and ones that the trends that were in when we were young is coming back for our own children. So I just took pictures of that. And that's another reason why I decided to do the embroidery floss, was so that it will match the theme of the photos. So now, as you notice, there are some spaces in between my letters. They were just really small ones that I couldn't fit any more of the letters there. So I decided to pull out this sticker sheet. It's a girl theme one from Echo Park, and it had some stars, so I will fill that in. I was a little worried in the beginning because the colors for the sticker sheet and the Simple Stories stickers were not quite the same, but it's all good. It's all different colors and they will just blend together. Initially, I just wanted the outside circle to be plain, but I already started with those foam stickers, so might as well just continue. So I am going to fill in the rest of that space with the sticker sheet. I also placed my title, and I'm just gonna do the title of BU. I have the foam stickers B, and then I remembered I had some words that are cut out from my silhouette, and I just spelled the word U, and it was a script font. So I like marrying different styles of font with my titles. So I had the kind of more solid script for the words B, and then the script font for the U. And initially I was kind of worried that if I add some more letters for my title, that it will kind of conflict with those alphabet stickers in the inside of my circle, but it actually worked fine. And then I am going to do some finishing touches. I haven't done this in a while, but I'm going to do some splatters of black on the open space of that circle, or sorry, of that white cardstock, just because it felt like it needed something on the sides. And that's going to be it. I'm going to have some close-up shots at the end, but I'm also going to show you how many of these sticker sheets I was able to use up or finish up in the next slide or in the next video. But I hope that you guys like this video and you guys are excited for this year-long series. I am. I'm just hoping that I will be able to do it. Don't know what my commitments will be in the next few months, but if I don't have any commitments outside of scrapbooking, this is what I will be doing. So I'm just going to show you all of the completed or used up sticker sheet. I ended up using, I believe, 7 of the sticker sheets, and I also used up the numbers, and I ended up putting that on a small piece of cardstock that I am planning on being a background for a card, and maybe a birthday card since it has numbers. And that's about it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe and like, and I will catch you guys another video. Bye.